If you're rusty with differentiation, I would suggest taking the time to recap it. Go through any questions that you want from Pure 1. I've also covered it in the Pure 1 course, so feel free to go through that. Recap it before tackling A2 differentiation, because now you need to be able to differentiate trig functions and log functions. So on the board, I have put up all the rules that you need to know involving trig and involving exponentials and logs. So for now, I just want you to have those down in your book. So take a minute, write it all down, and then we'll tackle a few questions. This is the first question that I want you to try. Give it a shot, see how it goes. So, you've got your function, sine 5x cos 3x. Find the equation of the tangent at the point pi minus 1. So, you have to differentiate. When you differentiate sine 5x, you get 5 cos 5x, making use of this rule here. And then minus 3 sine 3x. Okay? That's what you get when you differentiate. Now, at the point pi minus 1, your differential is going to look like this. 5 cos 5 pi minus 3 sine 3 pi. When you plug that into your calculator, you get minus 5. Okay? This is your gradient. You do y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 because you have a tangent. So y plus 1 equals minus 5 x minus pi. So y plus 1 equals minus 5x plus 5 pi. So y equals minus 5x plus 5 pi minus 1. That's the equation of your tangent. Okay, have a look at those questions for me, please. For these, you're making use of your exponential rules. So to differentiate part A, you get 3e to the power of 3x plus 2 to the power of 3x times 3 ln 2. You can't go anywhere further from here. Like, you can't simplify this anymore. So you just leave it at that. Okay, part B. For this, you want to rewrite your equation. So write it as 3 ln x plus ln 7 plus ln x. That's making use of your log rules. Okay, so you're just splitting it up. And now you can group the ln x's together. This is much easier to differentiate. When you do that, you get 4 times 1 over x plus 0. You can't differentiate ln 7. So 4 over x. Nice and easy. Finally, for part C, you can split the fractions. minus 3e to the power of 7x over 4e to the power of 3x. And now you can simplify this. So 1 over 2 e to the power of minus 3x minus 3 over 4 e to the power of 4x. This is the point where you can start differentiating. Now when you differentiate, you should get minus 3 over 2 e to the power of minus 3x minus 3 e to the power of 4x. Because 3/4 times 4 is just 3. There you go. That's making use of a couple of the trig rules and a few of the exponential rules. But that's the start of differentiation. Knowing these rules is crazy important. I would say really spend the time to get super comfortable using these rules. Have them next to you as you're doing a few questions. And then as you're continuing, use the rules less and less. As in, have like a cheat sheet and then try and use that cheat sheet less and less until you're not using it at all. The more you do that, the more you practice, the more second nature it's going to feel, and then you're going to be differentiating like it's nothing.